All right. So, welcome again to Military Guna TV. And thank you guys for joining me. And today we'll speak about two Reggae boys, Pepe, Kevon Lambert, and Andre Gray. As you guys know, Andre Gray, new club, fresh start, fresh beginning, joined QPR. And Pepe Lambert playing at Phoenix All Star. What is it, Phoenix? Phoenix Rising. Phoenix Rising. So, guys, please remember smash that like button and also ensure that you subscribe. People, I've already hit 7,000 subscriber. I would definitely appreciate it if you guys help me to reach that 8,000 subscriber mark. I would definitely appreciate it, as I said. Now, guys, let's move straight into things. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you guys insight on Kevon Lambert performance. First, give you guys an insight on his stats-based performance. That is Andre Gray. As I said, I'm going to give you Kevon Lambert. Let's go straight back up. Let's go. I'm not going to give you Andre Gray as yet because with Andre Gray, we had another particular reggae boy in that game. So we have quite a few things to discuss with Andre Gray. So I'm going to give you Kevon Lambert's performance, analyze his performance by numbers. So Kevon Pepe Lambert, this Kevon Lambert displayed a gritty performance to help the Phoenix Rising to defeat LA Galaxy 2 in the USL Championship. Now, it was a 7-goal thrilling game, people. 7 goal. 7. Think about it. 7 people. So that region that they're in is actually in the Pacific region, and Phoenix Rising is at the top of the table. They're at the top of the table. So this win literally they're in the Pacific division. They're on 47 points from 22 games. Quite good. Kevon Lambert recorded his second goal of the season. 7 goals to, I said 4-2. They won the game. Phoenix Rising won the game 4 goals to 3. So this is Kevon Lambert's performance, stats-based performance. So minutes played 90. He scored 1 goal, which is a header, nice header. As I said, he would he hit the ball down. It was from a set piece corner, hit the ball down. Keeper came out. I don't know why the keeper would actually come out. Definitely quite questionable. But it was a good header because he head down to the floor. And naturally that's what all coaches would say: head it down, head down into the floor. He had 50 touches. He attempted 35 passes, completing 24 of those at 69%. He had 1 key pass. He attempted 9 long passes and completed 7 of those at 77%. He had 1 shot off target, 1 on target, and 1 shot block. So that's 3 shots in total. So he made 1 dribble attempt, completed at 100%. Ground duels, he had 6 completed out of 9 at 66%, and aerial duels 5 out of 5 at 100%. He lost possession 13 times, which I believe, based off the tempo or the type of football, the transitional football that was playing, I think 13 times was quite okay. He committed 2 fouls and was fouled 3 times. He made 2 clearances, 2 interception, and complete 1 tackle. So when you look at that, it's pretty much a good game for him on a stats-based level. But when you watch a game, you'll see that it pretty much up and down. Yeah, he has his quite silent moments when you don't see much of him, then and automatically you come back. What I realized that he would tend to drop, despite them playing with 2 in the 4-2-3-1 with a 2 double pivot. You see him drop as a hole in every now and then, playing at that area. So good performance from Pepe, Mr. Kevon Lambert himself. Let's move now from Pepe to the man on his debut, Andre Gray. Hopefully I can find it. Hopefully I can find it, because let's see. It's taking long to load. Oh, I went too far back. Let's get my roof at Ethan Pinnock. Good. So QPR versus Reddings. QPR versus Reddings, people. All right, so the game ended 3-3. Andre Gray coming off the bench to get his debut goal. People coming off the bench to get the debut goal. What else can you ask for? What else can you ask for? It doesn't get any better than that. So, in all aspects, it was solid performance from Andre Gray. Just the short stint that he came on for. He came on the 88th minute, 79, 88 minute, 10 minutes of football. Quite good, very active, getting involved. No, he came on the 66th minute. He scored his goal on the 79th minute. He scored his goal on the 79th minute. No, before his goal on the 77th minute, Liam Moore made an assist on the 77th minute, which Liam Moore assist would have taken it to three goals to one, because QPR got an goal by own goal in the early stages of the game. Roughly in about 10 minutes that they're about. But then QPR Reddings turned up the pressure on QPR and scored 3 goals before they could have seen anything else. So by the third goal was scored like the 77th minute, as I said, assist by Liam Moore, and Andre Gray coming on at the 66th minute, providing that fight back spirit when he scored his goal on the 79 minutes. So I believe that Andre Gray is likely to be starting ahead at QPR quite soon, because he's kind of more clinical. They're using Chris Willock. I think it's Chris Willock. I believe it's Chris Willock as a second striker. And as you know, Andre Gray is a more prolific striker than Chris Willock. He's not even a striker. He's actually a winger, attacking midfielder. So that is good. Andre Gray coming off the bench, bringing back the fighting spirit into the QPR team, and then now for them to get the equalizer in a later stage of the 90th minute. So good performance, good fight, good spirit, and good to see him back on the goal scoring sheet, and back with the team and back on the field, because we know that when he was at Watford, he was actually literally almost like an outcast. No game, no appearance, no nothing at all. So he's back on his feet and he's scoring goal, people. What else can you ask for? You can't ask for anything else, people. And I think and that's it. But people, Liam Moore had a stellar performance, people. Liam Moore had a stellar performance. The team itself capitulated. Reddings capitulated in the latter stages of the game. But Liam Moore had a solid performance. But his partner was having a horrid game, own goal. He was the guy was all over the pitch. He was all over the pitch. But let's see how this one pans out. So people, as I said, thank you very much again. Thank you for assisting me to reach 7,000 subscribers. Now I am on the road to 8,000 subscribers. I'm on the road to 8,000 subscribers. The next 9,000, I will see how far we can go. Let us see how far we can go. This is a Jamaican channel. This is a channel for us Jamaicans. Let's see. We have a lot of Jamaican football fans out there. They support their clubs and they subscribe to like some huge channels overseas. Huge channel overseas. But they find it quite difficult to support their very own. But that's it. I think that's how it is. That's just a part of life. But definitely, I assume that everyone will come on board as soon as the World Cup kicked off in good fashion. And if we should make the World Cup, I'm telling you, it will kick off like that. So people, thank you guys as well again for assisting me to reach 7,000 subscribers and also over 1 million views. I did not know that there's so much football fanatics like myself, but thank you for the support and all those who have been here since minute one. Massive respect, people. Military Guna TV. Like, share, and also subscribe.